Control flow. In the last video, you learned about functions and error handling. Now it is time to learn control flow with if, switch, and for. Go keeps it simple. There is only one loop keyword, for. The basic if statement works like most languages, but Go does not need parentheses around the condition. You can chain conditions with else if. The opening brace must be on the same line. Go has a special feature called if with short statement. You can put a variable declaration before the condition. The variable is only available inside the if block. This is great for error checking. Go's switch is cleaner than most languages. There is no fall-through by default, so you do not need break. You can use multiple values in one case, separated by commas. Switch without a condition is very useful. It acts like a chain of if-else, but is easier to read. This is a common pattern in Go for classifying values based on ranges. A type switch checks the type of a value. Use value.open type, close paren inside the switch. The variable gets the correct type in each case branch. This is useful with interfaces. Go has only one loop keyword, for, but it can act as a classic for loop, a while loop, or an infinite loop. Drop the init and post to get while behavior. Drop everything for infinite. The classic for loop has init, condition, and post sections. It works just like C or Java. The variable I starts at 0, the loop runs while I is less than 5, and I increments each time. For as while is simple, just use for with only a condition. The loop runs as long as the condition is true. Use break to exit an infinite loop when you need to. For range iterates over slices, maps, strings, and channels. It gives you the index and the value. If you only need the index, drop the second variable. If you only need the value, use underscore. Since Go 1.22, you can use range with an integer. Writing for I: equals range 5 loops from 0 to 4. This is a clean way to loop a specific number of times without the classic syntax. Break exits the loop immediately. Continue skips to the next iteration. These work the same as in other languages. Use continue to skip certain values and break when you find what you need. Labels let you break out of nested loops. Define a label like outer : before the outer loop. Then use break outer to exit both loops at once. Without labels, break only exits the inner loop. Here is fizzbuzz using switch without a condition. For multiples of 15, print fizzbuzz. For multiples of 3, print fizz. For multiples of 5, print buzz. Otherwise, print the number. This example counts words using for range and a map. Split the sentence into words. Loop through each word and increment its count in the map. Then loop through the map to print results. Finding prime numbers with nested loops. For each number, check if any smaller number divides it evenly. If it does, it is not prime. Use break to exit early once you find a divisor. Remember these common mistakes. Go does not use parentheses around conditions. The opening brace must be on the same line. Switch cases do not fall through by default. Use fall through if you need it. In the next video, you will learn about arrays, slices, and maps. Slices are the most used data structure in Go. You will learn make, append, len, cap, and range over collections. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials.